Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a specialized water filtration system designed to transform raw underground water into clean, usable water. This is a highly practical setup, so let's dive in and walk through the entire process together. To initiate the process, we will use a pipe section with an 110mm diameter to fabricate the main body, housing of the filter unit. Following this, I will utilize pipe couplers to connect with various functional pipe segments, thereby establishing the necessary water inlet and outlet ports for the system. Next, I cut the small connection tabs, or notches, to link the pipes. Thereafter, I will utilize the PVC ball valve to control and regulate the flow of water within the filtration system. With that, we have completed the initial phase, designing and fabricating the water supply line to the filtration system. The subsequent step involves fabricating the water outlet port for the filtration system. Upon completion of the outlet port setup, we will proceed to install the various layers of filter media inside the main housing. First, we will lay down a layer of filter gravel at the bottom of the filter housing. we will add a layer of filter wool on top of the newly laid gravel layer. Thereafter, we will add another layer of fine sand on top of the filter wool layer. Once the first filtration layer is complete, we will proceed to establish the second layer using an inverted material order, starting with sand, followed by filter wool, and concluding with filter gravel. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.